Oh my god, is that a new model? It's my gamer model. I made this for my birthday stream. And then we have jacket off. Jacket off. Jacket off. Okay, okay, hold on. The way I'm saying it sounds really different from how... Wait, no. Jerk it off. Can you count down from 10 real quick? Why? I'm a bit nervous. This is these nut jokes. As joy? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by joy? What's a joy? Isn't that not the feeling you get when you are happy? Oh. Interesting. I see. Oh, okay. Well, that's lovely.
Thank you guys so much for watching the Probably Clipper channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the clip of Probably Melody today.